If you are looking for a great portable charger that you could just stick to your phone and get it charging without having to deal with any of the wires, you're absolutely going to love this one. So I will show you how it works in a second. So right over here, we got the MagSafe. So this is where you're going to put your phone right over here. Back here, this is how much power you have, so you could tell by the little pause. We also have a kickstand on this, which is really, really nice. So when you have your phone charging, you can rest this on a table if you like, which is really nice. To charge this, the charger comes on it right over here. You're just gonna pull this off, you're gonna put it right into here, and you're good to go. We also have USB-Cs over here as well, which is absolutely nice. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna grab your device, you're literally just gonna put it just like that. It goes, and then you'll see right there, it's starting to charge. This charges really, really quickly, which I like. I really like the fact that I don't need any cords or have to remember to bring my charger cord. So if you're looking for a great MagSafe power bank, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.